8 prompting techniques. Bad example, good example, side by side. Let's get into it. 0 shot. Give a clear instruction, no examples needed. Most people write something like, write me a Python function, that's it. The AI has to guess the input, the output, everything. Instead, be specific. Write a function that takes a list of integers and returns only the even ones in order. Same technique, completely different result. Few shot. Show examples to lock in your output format. Ask to format a date with no examples, and the AI picks any format it feels like. But show 2 examples first, and it matches your exact pattern every single run. The examples do all the heavy lifting. Chain of thought, multi-shot. Show a reasoning example before your real question. For multi-step math, just asking the question leads to skipped steps and wrong answers. But if you show one example with full step-by-step reasoning first, the AI applies that same logic to your problem. Accuracy jumps significantly. Chain of thought, 0 shot. 3 words change everything. Ask is 97 a prime number, and the AI might just guess. Add think step by step before answering, and it checks every divisor methodically. 3 words added. The difference between a guess and a reliable answer. Self-consistency. Run the same prompt 5 times, then take the majority vote. AI outputs are stochastic. A single run can be wrong, but run it 5 times and the majority filters out the noise. 4 out of 5 runs returned 14, which is correct. Use this for any high-stakes reasoning task. Tool use. Give the AI real tools so it can verify its own work. Saying fix the bug and make sure tests pass sounds right. But the AI can't actually run those tests. Explicitly provide a PyTest command, and it calls it, iterates, and confirms the fix actually works. No more guessing. RAG, Retrieval-Augmented Generation. Inject real context. Stop hallucinations cold. Ask the AI to extend a class it has never seen, and it guesses the structure. Wrong method signatures, broken code. Paste your actual class into the prompt, and it works with your real code. Hallucinations drop to near 0. Reflection. Make the AI critique and improve its own answer. A first draft sort function skips edge cases. Empty lists, duplicates, none values. Add 1 instruction. Review your answer. Does it handle these cases? Rewrite if needed. The AI catches its own gaps. The second version is production ready. Better prompts, better AI results. Save this video and revisit each technique when you need it. Follow neural.ai.flare for weekly AI breakdowns.